I'm Tina Ramchandani, an interior designer in New York. Welcome to our client's home in NoMad. The goal of this project was to create a serene and inviting pied-à-terre for our clients to enjoy with their family. This space has incredible views, so we wanted to make sure we took that into account when we were designing. I can't wait to show you around. Follow me. I wanted to create a grand entrance, but unfortunately this apartment didn't have one. So I designed this custom mirror that reflects the views and makes the space feel larger. It also sets the tone for the color palette in the rest of the home. We found this slim console that's the perfect size for this space. It's a stylish spot for our clients to drop their mail when they come in the door. Lighting is a great way to add personality to a space. I found this perfect gem tone light for the foyer, and I can't wait to show you the rest of the lighting in the home. Follow me. In this main entertaining space, we've got a living room, a dining room, a kitchen, and views to die for. I selected low-profile, comfortable furniture so you could really see out. In the living room, it's all about this sectional. It was custom made for this space in a beautiful plum mohair fabric. I selected plum because it is the color of serenity, and I really wanted my clients to feel comfortable when they came home at the end of the day. I paired this sectional with this amorphic coffee table. The lightness of the stone top really makes the plum stand out. I selected these swivel chairs because they're multifunctional. You can watch TV, look at the view, and join conversation. And to ground the space, I designed this custom rug, which also inspired the Roman shades. I found this pattern that was muted, complemented the rug, and did not distract from the city views. Because these views are everything. In airy spaces like this, I think it's really important to have a grounding element. So for the dining room, I selected this dark ceramic table. I paired the table with these Brazilian chairs that are both stylish and comfortable. I wanted to create a space where they could dine comfortably for hours. Finding a chandelier was a challenge. I wanted to delineate the space, find something beautiful, but I couldn't take away from the view. And when I found this fixture from Gabriel Scott, I knew it would be perfect right here. And to finish the space, I added this beautiful bar cart. The black elements tie into the rest of the space, so it feels cohesive. And after all, who doesn't enjoy a nightcap? I always do my best work in a neutral environment. So for the home office, I used a combination of grays and creams. And I wanted to keep the materials quite natural in here as well. So we have a mix of stone, wood, metal, and fabric. I found this light with woven elements that pairs perfectly with the other natural elements in the space. And in this room, I chose a swivel chair so you can have conversation and enjoy the view. Just because this is a home office, it didn't mean that the desk had to be boring. And I found this piece that's large and it's a mix of wood and leather. It's just great. I'm a fan of cohesive design. So in the primary bedroom, you're going to see colors that you've seen throughout the rest of the home. I customized this bed with a ribbed neutral fabric, and I made sure to have a high back. The client really wanted to feel cocooned and safe. And to tie it all together, I repeated the fabric from the drapery in the Euro pillows and the fabric from the sofa in the open area in the lumbar pillows. The room had space for a seating area, so I decided to go with these beautiful lounge chairs, and I upholstered them in plum, of course. I really wanted my clients to feel relaxed and that this was their sanctuary. This project was about celebrating these city views and an intentional use of color, all to give my clients their dream pied-à-terre. Thank you for taking a look, and I'll see you on the next one.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.